Millionaires never buy real estate the way you think they do. While everyone's fighting over perfect properties at full price, smart investors are hunting for diamonds in the rough that others completely overlook. The secret lies in what I call the multiplication method. Instead of buying one expensive property, successful investors target 3 undervalued properties in emerging neighborhoods. Think of it like planting seeds in different soil types. Some will bloom into cash flow gardens while others appreciate like vintage wine. Here's the game changer most people miss. When you walk through a tired-looking duplex, don't see peeling paint and outdated fixtures. See the heartbeat of potential revenue streams. That basement could become a third rental unit. That oversized garage transforms into workspace rental income. Every square foot whispers opportunity if you listen carefully. The math becomes poetry when done right. A property generating $1,500 monthly but costing only $90,000 creates a cash flow rhythm that compounds monthly. Multiply that across your portfolio, and suddenly you're conducting an orchestra of passive income. Technology amplifies everything now. Apps analyze neighborhood trends faster than any human brain. Virtual tours save countless hours. Digital contracts close deals while you sleep. The investors winning today treat their phones like treasure maps leading to hidden opportunities. Market timing feels like catching lightning, but patterns reveal themselves to patient observers. Rising coffee shops and new bus routes signal neighborhood transformation months before prices explode. The most successful investors I know started with one small property and treated it like their masterpiece. They learned every lesson that first investment taught, then scaled those insights across multiple properties. Your real estate empire doesn't need perfect timing. It needs perfect persistence and the courage to see potential where others see problems.